Hello, viewers. Today we are looking at a question. This is GCE 2024. Particularly, this is Science Paper 1. This is Physics. This is Physics. So we are looking at the specific question, which is question B4. And this question is on waves. Figure B 4.1 shows the displacement distance graph for waves generated on a string. Okay. So we first need to identify this structure, the type of a wave. So remember, we have two types of waves. We have the transverse wave and we also have a longitudinal wave. So this wave type is called a transverse wave. Right. So this part here, it is called the resting point. This is the resting position of a wave. I want you to follow me very attentive here. So this is the resting position of the wave, and we also have the crest. This is a crest and this is a trough. These two, they make a complete wave. This is a crest and this is a trough. These two, they make a complete wave. That's what we need to understand here. Okay, so the first thing they want us to do is to define a wavelength. So what is a wavelength? So a wavelength is just the distance between two crests. This is a distance between two crests. And here we have said this is the crest. And this is also a crest. Then here we have a trough. So this distance between two crests, this distance is called the wavelength. So this distance is called the wavelength. The distance or the distance between two crests. This is called the wavelength. Okay, what are they saying there? State the wavelength. State the wavelength of the wave. State the wavelength of the wave. So this the distance from here to there. This is 10 centimeters. So we're going to say 10 centimeters is our wavelength. Okay, what is the amplitude of the wave? So an amplitude of the wave is just like the height of the wave. This here, the height is the amplitude. The height is the amplitude. So this height is also 10 centimeters. Okay, so what are they saying there? If the waves travel along the string at 0.5 meters per second. So what is this 0.5 meters per second? This is called the wave speed. They want us to do what? Calculate the period of the wave. So they want us to calculate the period of a wave. And remember, the period of a wave is given by the formula. Say period is equals to 1 divided frequency. So first, let's collect data. So this is our data here. So we have the wave speed. They have given us this one. 0. In physics, it's important to collect data so that you see what you are looking for. So very important to collect data. So we also have the wavelength. The wavelength here, we said it is say 10 centimeters, but we need to convert it to meters. So what are we going to do? We are going to divide here 10 and 100, giving us 0.1 meter. So this is the wavelength. The wavelength is represented by this symbol, which is lambda. And then the frequency, we don't know. That is the one we are looking for. So we are going to, first of all, find the frequency, because remember I said period is equals to 1 divide frequency. This is our formula. So first, what we are going to do is we are going to find the frequency. We are going to find the frequency using this formula there. So we are saying wave speed is equals to frequency multiplied by wavelength. The wavelength, the wave speed, they have given us this one. The frequency is the one that we are looking for, multiplied by this one. Okay. Then we make this subject. What is our frequency here? Our frequency, when you multiply there, you're getting 5 Hz. The SI unit for frequency is Hz. So the units for frequency is Hz. So frequency is equals to 5 Hz. From here, we can now find the period, because the question is asking us to find the period. So where we say now period is equals to 1 divide frequency. So period is equals to 1. We have found our frequency to be 5. So when you divide there, you are getting 0.2 seconds. So these are the SI unit for period. Remember, period is just the time. That's why the units here, it is in seconds. If at all you need tuitions, online tuitions, you can inbox us on this number 74. You can inbox us on this number for online tuitions, the sciences, biology, mathematics. Thank you for watching.